very grateful for today's event and want to thank our friends at Stop and Shop and Young Family Farm for partnering to make today's donation possible. They're donating 1,000 bags of fresh produce that we're going to be able to give out today to families in need.
The Stop and Shop is here today donating 5 tons of fresh produce to the food bank to get it to hunger relief agencies and people in need. We're packing about 2,000 bags full of zucchini, tomatoes, squash, potatoes. The squash and potatoes are from right here at Young Family Farm in Little Compton, Rhode Island, and we're getting them in the hands who need it. And we're doing this to celebrate Hunger Action Month, which is the month of